As you probably noticed in some of my other videos, I have a lot of bookmarks at the top of my window. I love using bookmarks because I don't like to have a lot of tabs open. I want to show you a couple quick tricks to making the most out of using your bookmarks. In the bookmarks bar, you can add all your bookmarks, you can drag them around and change the order of them. You can also drag into folders. To make those handy dandy folders, if you right click in the bookmarks bar, you can add a folder. I'm going to name my folder new, add. And now I can drag anything I want into that folder just by dragging and holding it over the folder. One thing that I've noticed a lot of people don't do that I do, if you'll look at my bookmarks, they all have little short names. If you bookmark a page, I'm going to bookmark my blog, you should too. It opens up bookmark added and it gives you some options. First off, it will default to whatever folder you used or whatever location you used last. I used new last, so it wants to put it in the folder. If I click on that, I can choose to put it in one of my other massive amounts of folders, or I can choose to put it on the bookmarks bar. The other thing that I can do here is I can give it a name. So sometimes it's going to have a really long name and I don't want to take up space. I want to have the most amount of bookmarks visible possible. So I can shorten the name here. And then I can do a couple of other things in that edit. If you click on that, you can move it around. You can change the URL from here and all that good stuff too. However, the most common thing you want to do is where and what you're going to call it, which is done right away when you bookmark something. So I'm going to say save, and you can see my new bookmark, and it's shortened to my GTOTD. And if I want to change the name, I can right click it again and just say edit. I can change the name, change where it's located if I don't want to drag and put it somewhere. So maybe I just want to call it G Tips. And that changes the name right there in my bookmarks bar. That has been super handy for me because I like to be able to see all of my bookmarks. And so by shortening the name, it gives me the opportunity to have more visible. That means less tabs for me, which makes me very happy.